Ave Maria of Fatima, the processional hymn for the Holy Sacrifice of the Mass this morning in Fatima, Portugal, the feast of Our Lady of Fatima, and the 180th anniversary of Our Lady's first apparition in Cova da Iria. Over 200,000 people in Fatima today. We really thank God. Indeed, the faith is alive. Ave Maria.